Now I have a product review here from Old Reliable, from Oregon Freeze Drieds. Oregon Freeze Drieds is the maker of Mountain House. They're the originator of freeze-dried meals in camping foods and in military rations. They're the ones that started it all back during the Vietnam War. Now, the review we're going to do is on chicken Tikka Masala. Now, Combat Cameraman came by my place this last week. He had a few entrees, wanted us to give them a try, test them out, maybe do review video on them, and let people know our thoughts. Now, when I did a little bit of checking on this, I just did some cursory checks. It looks like this was one of the entrees that was a new offer in like 2022, 2023. Now, from talking to Ron Stryker, it sounds like Oregon Freeze Drieds, when they offer a new or come up with a new entree or idea, what they first do is they sell it on the website. If it has good sales there, good reviews, then they will open it up to the public. They'll start offering it for sale to retailers to stock in their stores. So this apparently passed the test on the website, and it's now in stores. As for how long it's been in the stores, my guess is maybe a year. I'm not sure. Now, to prepare this one, it took 1.5 cups of hot water or boiling water, poured into the pouch after you remove the oxygen absorber, then seal it up with the little slider here. You're supposed to let it sit for 5 minutes, open it up, stir it, make sure you get down in those corners, because all of us have experienced that. We've had that unrehydrated mix that's down in the corner of the pouch over here. Make sure to get those, mix it up real good. Then you're supposed to reseal it and let it sit and hydrate for another 5 minutes before eating it. Now, because of the experience I've had with rice dishes and freeze-drieds in the past, I did 5 minutes before I went through and stirred it, and then I let it soak for an additional 10 minutes to make sure that the rice rehydrated, and that did work. We then gave it a try. Both of us gave it a thumbs up, said it's pretty good. The only thing it needed, a little bit of salt and pepper, so add that to taste. Other than that, the seasoning was pretty good. If you have this as your meal, this is a complete meal here for one person, going by volume. On the back, it says, naturally, there is 2 servings per pouch, 280 calories per serving, 560 calories to the pouch. That, I think, for an individual meal might be a little on the low side, but it was pretty good. So, just doing a quick check here. It does not say that this is made with TVP. It says this is made with actual chicken, which is a huge plus. Do I recommend this? Yes. Now, the price on this is the standard price for a Mountain House pouch. So you're looking between that $10 to $12 per pouch, depending on where you get it. You could potentially get bulk discounts depending on where you get it. If you get it from Oregon Freeze Dried or one of the people that sells their stuff online. But I checked at some stores in my area after Iron Combat Cameraman tried this. And yeah, the price is the standard price that you would pay for all the other Mountain House entrees. I do recommend this. It is a nice change. It's up to you if you would want to make this a personal mainstay inside your stuff. But for the price and that type of stuff, I do not see an issue with getting a bunch of these, mixing them in with other freeze-dried entrees to put inside of cachet totes or bug out bags or your rucksack or take with you when you're camping. So there you go, there's my review. I do recommend giving this a try. It is worth it. Oh, I should mention the veggies and all that type of stuff in it, the meat, it looked just fine. There was no changes in appearance and that type of stuff because of the freeze-dry process. You know, the veggies didn't look bleached or anything like that. The meat didn't look like it was, you know, pure white or anything. Everything looked like a normal meal. Tasted just fine. Giving it that extra 5 minutes definitely helped with rehydrating the rice. I never came across a single grain that was crunchy. Now, for all my engineer brothers in the Patriot Militia movements, always remember, essayons.